My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I want to tell you about what IRS tax debt looks like to the IRS at 30,000 feet. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I worked at IRS for over 10 years, a decade. That's a really long time. And I just want people to know that IRS just wants to close your case. You have to know that. When I was there and everyone was there, you get an inventory, you get a list of all the cases in your zip code, and there are investigations that people haven't filed or owe debt. And I just want to close the case. I don't care whether IRS didn't care whether I collected money, whether I didn't collect money, whether I wrote the case off as uncollectible, whether I had an offer. IRS just wants to close the case. And actually, the reason an agent may have the case is because the letters that they sent did not do that. So understand this: when you get the letter, IRS is simply taking your case off of their inventory list. If you don't have filed returns, file the returns, you're off IRS radar. If you owe IRS debt, then you either give them a financial statement and put your case in currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or file an offer in compromise. You've got to remove your case off the IRS computer. That's what your job to do is. If you have a problem with IRS, the computers kick your cases out for unfiled returns or back taxes. You need someone to look at your paperwork and click the switch off so IRS doesn't do anything. That's the thing. If you want to know how to click that switch off, you can call me and I'll tell you how to do it. If, like I said, if you have unfiled returns, file the returns, get it off. If you owe tax debt, call them, give them a financial statement. But if you call them and you don't know what you're doing, therein lies the problem. Just letting you know, just give IRS what they want and get your case closed. It's that simple. That's IRS at 30,000 feet. All they're trying to do is get your paperwork, click the switch off, and your case is closed. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. It's a lot simpler than you think. And stop being worried.